Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error 1310 error writing to file when try installing a program in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and you just need to search download advanced run, press enter, select the first link, scroll down to the bottom. Now you need to download depends on your system bit. If you don't know your system bit, then you just need to go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type, you can able to see your system bit guys. After knowing that, you just need to close stuff here and now you can select the download link depends on your bit. It started downloading and after getting download done, select the zip file. Double click on the advanced run.exe, select run. In here you just need to type in a program to run cmd.exe and after that in run as click on this drop down and select trusted installer. Now select the run option and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. After pasting this command, just press enter. After finishing this command, copy and paste this command. After finishing both commands, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can able to install the program without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.